points here. One is that stood out to me from what we've seen in the last 90 minutes. One is the idea that the committee has really sharpened the argument that Donald Trump knew he lost, even as he was perpetuating these election fraud lies. We heard some new testimony surrounding that. So, for example, that he signed this order to try to withdraw troops from Somalia and Afghanistan, much to the deep chagrin, as you saw there, from his military aides that thought that was a terrible idea. Keith Kellogg saying he would get physical to try to stop this, which seems to be an indication, as the committee has laid it out, that he knew he wasn't going to be in office last January, which is why he was taking the action. So there was something really exciting testimony from
Yes, the correct answer is 30. The word I did say suppose. Before you raise any guys off, we'll make this really simple. I'm going to say Spartans, prepare for victory. Need to hear 3 rules from everybody, front to back. Let's get their drive. Spartans, prepare for victory. That sucks. So let's give it another try. Spartans, prepare for victory.
Go ahead. Welcome to the back of our channel, she said. But anyway. Okay, go ahead. Alright guys, if you can tell, we are not home today. We are out in, I don't even know what this is called. But we're at the second Spartan race. We got the beast level over here. He's getting ready to get out of here. We got the kids level over here, and she's getting ready to go. That's how serious she takes it. Come here. He went to go chop off his shirt. Come here. Okay, Iris, are you ready for this? You ready for this? I want you to know that I'm so proud of you, and I know that you're gonna do great. Okay? You gonna do great? Ow! She finished her race! Let me see, baby. You're amazing. Oh,
What's up, Iris? What'd you think about your race? Was it good? Was it harder than last time, or was it more fun? Did you miss the water? Or were you happy there was no water?
I missed the water.
You missed the water? So last time, one of the big mistakes I did was took off running a little bit too fast. And by the time I was like into a mile and a half, I ended up burning out. So for this time, I'm hoping to like remember to not, you know, go full strength and just take it easy throughout those 6 miles. Yeah, guys, very exciting. We are about 40 to 50 minutes away from the race. So the nerves are getting there. Pretty nervous.
You ready for this?
As ready as I'll ever be.
You got this, Dad. You got this. I'm excited for you.
I am scared for myself.
When you are done today, you will be 2/3 of the way there. I'm excited.
After this, just one more in May and done. No, maybe I'll come and do the trail and the stadium, but the hardest parts are done.
One hour later.
So, while Dad races, I'm gonna have a little Mike's Hard Lemonade.
I got this.
That's pretty good.
Alright, guys.
Drunk day already. Dude, I'm tripping out right now. This thing doesn't taste like anything. And it has 0 calories. What?
2 hours later.
You did it in less than 2 hours.
Yeah?
Yes, because you told me to go look for you at the 2-hour mark, and it hasn't been 2 hours.
Okay, guys, it's been about 2 hours, almost 2 hours and 30 minutes since I last talked to you. I was able to run the Spartan race in, what is it, Mom, under 2 hours?
An hour and 52 minutes.
For the Spartan sprint, I raced it in an hour and 21 minutes. I think I did pretty good. I pushed myself pretty hard that I got blisters on my fucking both hands. So that was exciting. That was very, very exciting to navigate through those obstacles while my hands were like that. Because I had to use my fingertips and chicken wings and stuff like that. But it was a good time. Now we're off to Denny's. I was trying to catch a nap on the car. Dali's over there running around doing her little Spartan race to the car with Tia Lan. I want to give Lan a special thanks for coming out with us and helping us get through this race. It really helped us a lot, Lan. Thank you. And payday's coming.
Let's see those medals. Let's see those medals.
Go.
Oh, an eagle. As promised, guys, we came to Denny's. The girls got there. their special pancakes. Dad got his cheeseburger. He got his medal. He's got his blisters. He is a happy camper. Ew. I love you guys. I'm proud of you guys. You did amazing. Thank you for the Denny's. All right, guys.
I got eagle and scorpion.
You got an eagle and a scorpion.
I got this one first after this one.
All right.
Which one was harder? This one or this one?
This one.
This one was harder, your first one?
Today's was easy, huh?
This one was just easy. I did not get wet.
Oh.
Were you looking forward to getting wet?
I was trying to find the wood area.
So
She
you
was
wanted to jump
ready.
in the puddle? Oh my god. I'm proud of you guys, all right? This is where we end the vlog.
High five, Iris.
High five, guys. High fives all around. High fives all around. Ah.